Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about chapter 12, the earth. Millions of years ago, our earth was so hot. Hot gases came out of the boiling earth and formed a blanket of air around it. The water covered parts of the earth's crust is called oceans, and the parts of the earth's crust that stayed above the water is called the land. Next topic is under the crust. The crust of the earth is not very thick. Under the crust is a lot of molten rocks. Inside the molten rock is a ball of hot solid metal. Then how do we know that there is molten rock under the crust? Sometimes the molten rock find its way out through cracks in the earth. The cracks are called volcanoes. The hot molten rock that comes out is called lava. Lava flows out of volcanoes. Next topic is soil. In most places on land, rocks are covered with a layer of soil. Soil is actually powdered rocks. Very fine pieces of rock form clay. Bigger pieces are called sand. Plants use the water in the soil. Earthworms and other soil animals use the air in the soil to breathe. Then, what happens to the animals in the soil when they die and the leaves and twigs that fall on the soil? The answer is they rot slowly and mix with the soil. Next is how the earth moves. The earth is always spinning round and round. The spinning of the earth is called rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Next is seasons. We have 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Do you know why seasons change? They do because the earth tilts to one side as it revolves around the sun. In June, the northern part of the earth, where India is, comes closer to the sun. So we have summer. At that time, Australia and other places in the south have winter. In December, we have winter while the southern part of the earth has summer. We have spring in March while the south has autumn. We have autumn in September while the south has spring. Next topic is the earth's pull. If the earth is spinning around all the time, why do things not fly off it? They do not because the earth pulls everything on it towards itself. That is why a ball thrown up into the air falls back onto the earth. The pull of the earth is called gravity or gravitational force. It acts on everything, on us, on the waters of the oceans, on the air, etc. Floating. Then, how do balloons and clouds float and not come down? Air can hold up or support light things like balloons and clouds. It cannot support heavier things because heavier things are pulled down harder by the earth. Our last topic is floating in water. Many things float in water. This means water can also support things against the pull of gravity. But not all things float in water. Usually, heavy things sink. That's all for today. Thank you.